In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload Spotify songs to Canva presentation. This is a simple way to bring your slides to life with background music or a curated playlist. And it only takes a minute once you know where to click. Start in Spotify. Find the song or playlist you want to use, then open the three-dot menu next to it. From there, choose Share and click Copy Link. This copies a standard Spotify URL to your clipboard. You are not downloading the audio. You are just grabbing a link that Canva can recognize and stream during your presentation. Pick a single track for short segments or a longer playlist if you want music that lasts through multiple slides. Now switch over to your Canva presentation and open the slide where you want the music control to live. Paste the link directly onto the slide using Ctrl-V on Windows or Ctrl+V on Mac. After a brief moment, Canva will detect the Spotify link and automatically turn it into a Spotify player widget. If it takes a second, that's normal. Give it a moment to load. Once the widget appears, you can customize how it looks and where it sits. Drag the corners to resize it so it's noticeable but not distracting. Click and drag to move it to a spot that won't block key content corners, usually work well. If you want it to be more subtle, use Canva's transparency control to reduce its visibility while keeping it accessible. Aim for a layout that keeps the player easy to find when you need it. But out of the way of your main message? When you are ready to present, switch to presentation mode. To start the music, simply click the play button on the Spotify widget. The audio will stream from Spotify, so make sure you have a reliable internet connection and your device volume is set appropriately. If you need a break in the music, press pause on the same widget. Remember, this is streaming content, not embedded audio. So it plays live while you present and won't be part of a downloaded offline file. Before your actual session, it's a good idea to run a quick test in presentation mode to confirm the widget loads. The volume feels right, and the placement works with your slide design. Keeping your slides clear and the player consistent across relevant slides helps everything feel polished. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.